Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video. Excuse my hoarse voice, for some reason I've woken up with some sort of huskiness that I'm trying to shake. But let me get straight into the video. If you are after some fashion inspiration for the colder months, then I've got lots of bits from H&M that I wanted to show you guys that I've just ordered. It's getting bitterly cold here, so there's a mix of jumpers, I think there's a coat in there, some really nice knee-high boots, and lots of stuff to kind of keep you nice and warm and cozy. So if you like the sound of that, one, make sure you're subscribed for more fashion content from me, and two, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So let's get into it. So the first item is a white top, simple white top. It's actually like a polo neck. It's ribbed. I got it in a size small. It's like a nice cream colour. I don't know if you'll be able to see it that well on camera, but I'm going to try it on for you. And as I try these items on, I'm basically going to start to build outfits so you guys can see how everything goes together nicely, and you know what the sort of staple pieces that you want in your winter wardrobe for layering, and just for like everyday use. So this is what the first top looks like on. It's like a really nice light material, so you definitely want to layer with this piece. I said it was ribbed, but it's very fine, so you can almost barely see it. But I love the neck. It's like a polo neck, but it doesn't squash me too much here, so I still have a bit of neck left, because what polo necks tend to do is make me look quite short here, which I don't enjoy, and that's why I always kind of go for a lower cut neckline. But I quite like this. Really nice and fitted, really soft, and just a very simple piece. So I got this to pair with this really cute dress that I saw. So let's build like a casual office appropriate outfit. So this is a faux leather dress, which just looks like that. It's asymmetrical, it's black, it is pretty short, but if you style this up with tights and boots, you are good to go. So let me pop this on for you. So this is kind of what I'm talking about when I pair the two. So the top on the inside is light and sort of soft enough to pair with the leather dress. Upon closer reflection, it's slightly edging on a bit scandalous for the office, but I feel like if it was a casual Friday or you were going out for like drinks after work, then this is a really good transitional outfit. Again, I would style this with black tights and sort of high-heeled ankle boots maybe, just to like really complete the look. But I just thought I'd give you a view as to why I picked these two pieces. So the next item is this simple black turtleneck or polo neck jumper. Very thin, so very much comfortable wear, quite snug, but I tend to like my tops and knitwear like this to be quite fitted. You can't go wrong with black, so I tend to stick to like neutral colours in the winter, and just go crazy on like makeup and like accessories. So I got this in a size extra small, and I would pair it with two things, well, actually three things. The first pairing would be this lovely coat. So it's like what colour would we say this is? It's a beige camel colour, because you need a camel coat in your wardrobe at this time of year. Now I picked this up in a UK size, Europe size medium. Oh, medium? That doesn't sound like me. Maybe it was one of the only sizes left on the side. So immediately I can already tell this is really quite oversized. However, you can work with this. What I do like, however, is that it's got an inside pocket. I am a big fan of a coat with an inside pocket. So you can tailor this to sort of suit your body. And for those of you that kind of buy oversized jackets for this very reason, one with a belt is key. And that's probably why I sort of veer towards this one, even though it sort of didn't have my size. So it's got an inside pocket, it's got outside pockets as well, which you can kind of just see here. So I think it's stitched up, but it looks like it's like one of those pockets that your hands just fall into nicely, and potentially some under the flap. Then, oops, I picked up this cute little black beret. I'm really, you know, into the Parisian look this winter because I've never been. And I actually tried on one of these in a, I think it was a Zara in Thailand, and I quite liked how they looked on me, so I thought let me experiment with one more locally. So that's what that looks like. Then I thought let's pair it with these boots and kind of see how we get on. Knee-high croc print boots with a classic Style with Substance pointed heel and pointed toe. So let's see what these look like. Okay, so I'm really enjoying this look on. I really wish I would have got the coat in my size, but it's kind of giving me an all black look with these lovely boots as a sort of statement piece. So that's how you kind of jazz up a winter outfit. They really shape the butt quite nicely. So yeah, they just look like this. They've just got a really cool vibe, you know. I just kind of want to go like that. I'm going to try and move the camera back as far as I can so you guys can get a good look. The beret is really pulling the look together for me. Thought I'd just give you a closer look at the jacket and some of the sort of buttons, what it looks like at the back, just so you guys can get a real feel of it. And then this is the beret up close. I don't even know if I'm wearing this properly, but I'm enjoying this. So the next item is this really cozy cream jumper. So everything you want in a winter jumper. It's light, but it's still got a good thickness to it. It's very flexible. You can roll up the sleeves, they kind of stay in place. Love the colour. And I've just kept this on with those brown boots because I'm going to pair it with a really gorgeous coat that I think goes really nicely with the sort of neutral tones in this outfit and brings another dimension. So you guys all know the black aviator that I have from Zara that I rinse pretty much every winter, at least for the last last 3 winters I've had it. And this is a warmer alternative, so it's in this lovely creamy beige colour. So I got the jumper in an extra small and I got the jacket in an extra small because I just want to feel the materials on my skin. Coming close, it's just got these lovely zips. I love the zip placement. I love where you can see the fur, so it's very prominent on the collar and on the cuffs, and then also it has a lovely sort of detail there. So let me zip it up and see how it performs, because a lot of the time with these coats, like my Zara one, I rarely zip up, but I can if I need to, if it gets super cold. But you want to kind of see if they're you know, whether or not they are all fashion, no function, which this one absolutely isn't. So it ties up nicely, but it kind of makes me seem quite bunchy, so I would definitely have it open and just wear something nice and warm on the inside. But this is what it looks like with the boots, and then it's also got some nice pockets here, so you can kind of give it a nice stance and just style it up real cool. So let me just come in close to give you guys a nice good look. If you're more of a lighter colour wearer in the winter months, then this is a great one for you. So I'll have linked this down below with the other items, with the jumper as well. Okay, so this next outfit is very much how I would stay sexy but done up in winter and warm, most importantly. So it is this black cotton long line midi dress. I'd say it comes up to about a midi length. But I can't really tell because I've got some boots on with it. I got it in a size small, and it's got a nice high neck. It's quite slim fit. Material's quite light as well, so you definitely would want to layer up with this look. Now there are 2 ways that I would wear this. One would be a very simple look. Again, with the lovely black beret that we had earlier on in the haul. So now that we've got this sitting right, let me tilt you guys back a bit just so you can really feel what I'm saying. So you kind of give it the fashion up top look, and then down the bottom I've paired it with these gorgeous suede boots. So they are real suede. I got them in a size 6. They have a nice chunky heel. They're really nice and thick around the leg area, so if you've got better calves than I do, then that is going to work for you too. Now you've got options with this look, so you could throw on a cheeky gilet if you were sort of wanting to do a winter wonderland type look. So this gilet is from H&M a couple of years ago. I will link a similar one down below if I can find one, but it's just really cute. It's got some pockets, just some brown fur to sort of break up the black and, you know, give the pop of red something else to sort of not detract from it, but to kind of complement it. So you could do that, or if you wanted to wear this kind of look to work, I would ditch the beret, ditch the gilet, and opt for a nice houndstooth coat, something a little bit like this. So this coat does many a job. It is warm, it is cinchable, so you can wrap a nice black thick belt and just kind of hold it in place and just give it a bit more shape. You can wear it open and layer lots of bits underneath it, but I think it goes really nicely with this simple dress. And this is a really cool, like, casual office outfit. I love all-in-one pieces, so dresses, jumpsuits, things that you don't really have to think about pairing. And with the boots, it kind of really looks like you've put some thought into your outfit, and you're really fashion forward, but you're also warm as well, warm and comfortable, because the heel is not too high and it's a nice chunky one as well. So I really like this look. I will link a similar jacket to this down below because it's probably not available anymore. I got it, would it have been 2018? Yeah, I got this in 2018 from H&M as well, but I'll try and find something similar down below for you guys. Alternatively, for a little bit more of a more sultry look, I've paired this with this Zara leather jacket with sort of silver zips, because it kind of gives the whole outfit like a different vibe. I feel like this black on black on burgundy is a really nice look. So if you've got like drinks on a Thursday or like a nice date night, then this is an outfit that I can really get behind. So you can put the jacket on properly, yeah, you can just whack some earrings in and just kind of take it up a notch. Maybe even a belt in the middle just to like draw the eye to the waist, give it a bit more detail, but I love this look also. So for the last outfit of the haul, I'm bringing you this lovely, it's like a silvery grey polo neck or turtleneck jumper, depending on what side of the pond you're from. This is basically in this like corduroy type fabric, but it's really soft. Probably only be this soft before the first wash, but if you are into keeping your sort of winter outfits like quite in their original condition, then you can always dry clean only. But yeah, I love the colour of this one, and of course I had to style it up with my Stuart Weitzman boots because the two greys just go together so nicely. These are suede. This kind of has a corduroy suede looking feel, but it's so snuggly, and I actually really like, of all the polo necks I've tried on, this is probably my favourite by far. So this is the kind of outfit I would style with my big black aviator jacket that I was talking about before. So, you know, it's kind of black on grey type look, but that looks a little bit like this. And it's just a nice, really easy, really simple, but it looks like you're all about your fashion, you know exactly what you're doing. So this aviator jacket is from Zara, but I will try and link a similar one from H&M or ASOS below if I can't find one on the H&M website. But this is the kind of outfit that you will very likely see me in the winter. High necks, big cozy jackets, black jeans and knee-high boots. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this haul. Oh, actually, if you want to really step your fashion game up, I see a lot of Instagrammers do the hair tuck. So if you're also experimenting with what short hair would look like on you, here's what you can do. Tuck your hair into your jumper, sort of bring a few strands forward like that, and then boom, you've got like a quick DIY bob without having to like go to the length of cutting your hair. And this actually makes a lot of outfits look more fashionable. I see a lot of them put like shades on as well, so you know, if you really want to do glam fashion, then there's a way to go. But I would probably, just because my hair can be quite irritating, just leave it out, and then just sort of have a really nice wave put in it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comments down below. Make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss any more of my videos, and without further ado, I'm gonna go. See ya.